Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to remove virus on Samsung Galaxy S22. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1, unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Settings applications. Think of the Settings app as your phone's central hub. It controls Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, privacy, display, notifications, and much more. Accessing the settings is the first step in identifying and removing any virus or malware. Step 2, scroll down until you find Device Care, then tap on it. Next, select the App Protection option. This feature is designed to scan your apps and ensure no malicious software is running in the background. Step 3, within App Protection, tap on Scan Phone and wait patiently for the process to complete. This scan checks your device for viruses, harmful apps, or files that could be compromising your phone's security. Step 4, go back to the Settings menu, scroll down and open Apps. Choose any app you suspect may be causing problems. Tap on it, go to Storage, and then tap both Clear Cache and Clear Data. Clearing these temporary files can help remove hidden malware that may be embedded in app data. Step 5, make sure your phone's software is up to date. Go back to Settings, select Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Running the latest software version is essential because updates often fix security vulnerabilities that viruses exploit. Step 6, open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon, and select Play Protect. Hit the Scan button to check all installed apps for malware or suspicious activity. Play Protect is Google's built-in security tool to ensure your apps are safe. Step 7, if you notice unwanted notifications or spam messages such as from Chrome, don't worry. Tap and hold the app icon, select App Info, then go to Notifications and turn them off. This prevents annoying and potentially harmful alerts from appearing. Step 8, finally, restart your phone. Restarting ensures all changes are applied and your device is clean. Following these steps carefully will help you effectively remove viruses and keep your Samsung phone running smoothly and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.